Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this baddie outfit and dress to impress for free without VIP. Okay, the outfit will look like this, and I'm going to show you the items I'm wearing to create this. Okay, first of all guys, you can choose all these hairstyles, and you're going to color it black and red. And for this hairstyle, you can choose the bangs only. Okay, and then you can put eyelashes, and you're going to choose this makeup look and also the skin tone. And then to create this fake cigarette, I'm going to show you the hack, but it's optional. You can skip this part if you don't have time. For the fake cigarette, you can choose the earring from the Valentine update, and you're going to color it white. And then you're going to choose this hairstyle, color it gray, and you're going to choose the only bangs. And okay, sorry, I forgot to tell you the adjustment. For the cigarette, you can copy my adjustment for the position, rotate, and also scale. And then for the smoke back, you can use this hairstyle, and you're going to copy my adjustment. This is for the scale, rotate, and position. And the fake cigarette will look like this. Okay, and then I'm going to put on this jeans and then color it white. Color it black for the first selection and also the second selection. And then I'm going to go to this area and wear this belt, this one. And then I'm going to wear this top and then apply this pattern. Okay, the next one, I'm going to wear this item and I'm going to color it black for the first selection. Okay, the next one, we're going to wear this item and then I'm going to change it to toggle 3 and we're going to make it thick. Okay, and then I'm going to wear this boot, this one, and then I'm going to apply the brown color to the second selection. Alright, and then I'm going to go to the accessory. I'm going to choose, wait, where is it? Okay, it's right here, this choker. Okay, and then don't forget to put the eyelashes. I'm wearing this one, and then I'm going to wear this back. I'm going to color it brown, the dark brown. Oops, sorry, not this one, but this one. And then I'm going to make it darker. Okay. I'm going to use the same color code. Okay, and for the second selection, I'm going to apply this one as well. And for the third selection, I'm going to apply this brown. Okay, and for the last selection as well. Okay guys, and the last one, I'm going to put this hat. And I'm going to make it black. Okay, and this is the final result. Okay, that's all the way to create this baddie and dress to impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.